Uy, pagduliin na uy, para dali ta mahumay.
Samantha, pila! Charot! Ala!
Hello everybody and welcome back to another vlog! Yes, and shout out sa mga, what do you call it? Balik sa tayo. Masaya pang balik. Hello Kevin Addicts and welcome back to another vlog of Kevin R Stories. Another episode of Kevin R Stories, and for today, we're gonna show you our day with the Sapnu Puas family, starting with So okay guys, so as you can see, as part of our preparation for today, we are doing grilled pork from freshly picked tomatoes. so this marinated with, what is it Cecil? What is it marinated with?
What is it?
Marinated with laban pear, tocino mix,
Plus tocino mix with freshly picked tomatoes and banana stem.
And
banana
lemon.
stem. And
Lemon.
and
Grass.
some
about some baby.
yes.
Okay.
Muapot na sila pa.
So, dito sa tiil karon kamot na side. Alay show. Appeal siya sa vlog, oh. Pwede! So, welcome, Nico. It's so pretty. Say hi.
Hi to the vlog.
Dots. Sip-sip. Kay manguyab ni Philip.
So guys, right now I'm gonna show you what we brought today. Fun fact lang kasi kanina nakakatuwa talaga.
Or kaya. O Bisaya lang ba yun?
Oo kasi nahulog ang kutsara and then tinidor and then it went like upside down. Upside like that, di ba? And then it meaning ano ganun meaning basta magkulog.
One shot. Na laking hard ang mo.
And guess who?
Ako butangan ni. Wow!
Pero thanks for him kasi nandito na po yung mga kakainin namin ngayon. So let's do the unboxing. Thank you so much Shopee for sponsoring the boxes. I will be posting the link down below for the Shopee stores. You can buy these, okay? So first we have. How do you open this thing ko?
Ay, hindi siya kapalo. Hindi siya. Alay siya.
Tupperware. Okay, first one is, guess what? It's the rice! So we will be having tikim-tikim muna.
Tolo, yun na magtikim-tikim.
Perfect. Hindi siya NFA, guys.
Next! Hello!
Next we have... Wow!
Wala na tikim-tikim. Sige. Thank you!
Yun lang po guys at mga baby boys later on for our food.
Wala, oy! Kinsa to, kinsa to? Oh, laban, laban.
I wish I spent the summer in the Kiiviin, reflecting life through shadows. I feel the sun's coming and you're so
Breathe.
bright.
Last to. Nakakita ko og buongon. Naay buongon. Mamupo na ko karon.
Places got me farther, just me apart.
Okay, tabon, tabon. Oh, tabon.
Upon your face.
Ang iro man akong gibidyohan ba yun? Pretty. Ay, sa ba yun? Nuro ka, Philip, tayo, Philip. Game is using the dice. First is bottom up. Next, no drink. Drink at will. Next is drink 2 cups. Sip. Unsa is sip? Og drink half cup. And then if you have noticed, nindot kay siya kuko.
Okay guys, so we're done eating right now. We will be having the first round of our game. And the winner or the loser of this round will be the one to buy the drink on the SMC side.
Correct.
Correct.
Category is science. It is often referred to us. It is often referred as the powerhouse of the cell. It is often referred as the powerhouse of the cell. 10, 9, 8. Geography. It is the capital and the largest city of Egypt. It is the capital and the largest city in Egypt. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Unsay mo sulti? Ah, okay. Sige, sige. Okay, next category. Category is geography. It is the oldest city in the Philippines. It is the oldest city in the Philippines. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coaching! Naika-coaching dito. Dili, ang pinakagamay ang... Tay gani, sir. Okay, tiebreaker round for Agutay and kanyang Marcelo Luna. Okay, the correct answer is Tayutay. Ang mupalit og ilimnon is Agutay National. Okay. And this year's winner is Tumalog Elementary School. Correct.
Ilang araw na hato mo pamalit ko ilan niya na. Lubot. Ay.
Unsa to niko? Unsa to niko?
Last na gali na da.
Na may sunset pamanggod. Hindi sunset. Ay, abalog sunset. Okay, go. Laban diha. Okay. Sige.
So right now, we're get this one. So right now we're Sepsi party right now. So a lot of I'll be touching a lot of stuff. One day now like this. So another one for Diana. Also here. So another and also here.
So, what would you like to say to the viewers?
Keep on watching. So, I don't know what are you talking about.
Halalay, mo siyang wine. Okay, mag-play na may old category this time. Okay na video kay walay. Babe, laban. Hi, babe. Wow. Ay, mga character sa One Piece.
Si Luffy, si Whitebird,
Blackbird by Chaye.
si Puas, si
Unari siya.
Blackbird.
Muna si Chaye. Ma'am, kami si Chaye na sayop na, ma'am. Sayop naman si Chaye. Day. Bayot. Inom na, day. Muna yung half cup.
Uy, madikis mo sa direction ng tubig.
Ay, Fernand.
Direction sa tubig. Malis mo na siya.
Uy, wala makita din tapat ni Sili.
Ay, labo ka ba? Oh, lala. What time is it right now?
It's 9.
It's 9 p.m. and we're done. And I guess we're heading home. It's a great day. We enjoyed it.
Not yet. Ato pa tayo naka-Philip.
But the night is still young. The night sky tells all.
Ato pa may ilang Philip and then ato ilang Edsel. Shout out to
Diana. Hi.
Shout out to
Diana. Shout out to Diana.
Shout out to
Flora Del Mendez. We're coming.
Shout out to
Sorry.
Shout out to
Sir Kevin.
Amo. Shout out to
Magic Plus.
Oh my god, we're going home.
Yeah, we're not yet going home because the night sky tells all.
Correct. Not yet going home pa di ay. Unsa man ang hitan ni? Oh, recorded na siya lip. Actually, mananghit ko na siya kay na